And you've been acting like Caldwell, Idaho's country crib. When the only grapes out there are for making wine. You only mask up to go to the ER. At least that's what you told us like 80 times. So if you're working full-time in a hospital saving lives, then how the fuck do you expect them to believe that you're taking mine? I don't believe anything Rittenhouse been spitting about. You shouldn't be strapping at all. You're repping casket company, but you're only catching a body when there's malpractice involved. So all that trash that you talk should get you cracked in the jaw. Because if you're putting someone in a casket, it just means that you're bad at your job. So if he says he's drawing blood, it's genetic testing for defects. Or if he says he's got the hammer, it's a routine check on your reflex. I know for a fact you're just pretending to squeeze text because to work in the Idaho healthcare sector, you had to fucking get a police check.